to know that what is IELTS. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today we are going to conduct a group discussion regarding IELTS speaking. I do have different questions for you. Even you can ask me any question if you do have any questions with you. I'll start with Mr. Haroon. My name is Muhammad Tayyab, and would you like to let me your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Haroon Sarfraz.
Okay.
And I am from 22 Kushal.
Okay.
My father name is Sarfraz Ahmed.
Okay.
He is an engineer in Kuwait.
Okay. Nice.
And I have one sister and I am one brother.
Okay. Thank you very much. This is the first time that you are appearing in the IELTS exam.
Yes, of course. This is my first time I am beating in the IELTS exam. So I am very grateful to take that exam.
Okay. Obviously, you will be glad. I do have some questions to you. How do you usually contact your friends, and why?
First of all, I usually contact with my friends through my phone calls because I have almost every time my call package over there. So this is the most easiest way to mine, and I want to contact whenever I want to contact with my friends. I usually call them and often speak with them to whatever I want to talk to them, and this is my way of talking to my friends.
Do you prefer to contact different people in different ways?
Yes, I usually contact people in different ways. For example, I usually often use WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and phone calls or text messaging. But the most commonly I use is my phone calls because this is the most easiest way to contact the people around myself.
Thank you. Do you find it easy to keep in contact with friends and family?
Yes, of course I find it easy to contact with my friends and my family because I have always phone in my pocket, and my family members and my friends also have their own phones. Whenever I want to talk with them, I often call them or text them, and through these type of these communications, I often communicate with them.
Okay. Which type of weather do you like, Mr. Haroon?
I have the very good taste of weather. I like the winter the most because it is the most beautiful part of the year, especially in December when there is snowfall and there is so much cold over there. I often go outside and enjoy the winters, and this is the most adorable moment of my life when I face the cold temperature of outside.
Okay, I have some more questions for you, but I'll ask those questions later. And now I would like to talk to Mr. Hasib. Do you like the celebrations?
Of course, there are many celebrations in our country according to wedding ceremonies, birthday ceremonies. Especially there are many ceremonies according to our national celebration like Miladul Nabi, 14 August celebration. I also take part in these celebration according to myself. This is good taste for me to celebrate these.
Okay, be relaxed, okay, and be easy. Don't be worried. I have some more questions for you. What are the main reasons why people organize family parties in your country?
In our country, the families arrange these parties because arrange these parties to gather people
To get together.
their relatives, especially their brothers and sisters. This is best chance for people to enjoy in parties and meet with their relatives.
Okay, I think actually the people in your country are having the hectic routine, okay, and they feel exhaustion during the weekend. So at the end of the weekend or at the weekends, they like to make some sort of parties, okay, and a get together in between the families are like this. Am I right? Okay, thank you. Hasib, I have some more questions for you, but now I would like to talk to Mr. Azhar. Do you think this is a good trend or bad trend, as Mr. Hasib has told that the people spend a lot of money on the parties?
Actually, sir, my opinion is sometimes such events are very good,
Hmm.
spending money on him because on the other hand, on the marriage parties, lot of money spent on the marriage. I am not in the
Spending so
favor
much
of
money.
spending so much money on the wedding parties.
Because it is the wastage of
Oh,
money we can.
yeah, this is the wastage of money. Okay. What kind of national celebrations do you have in your country?
14 August,
Hmm.
23rd March,
Hmm.
our national celebration, etc.
Hmm.
Celebrate in our countries.
So your good name is Ruxana.
Yeah.
What kinds of thing make you laugh?
There are so many things in my life which make me laugh. But about when I remember about my school days, that was very very happiest days of my life. Um, uh, in days we have no disturbance or any anxiety about our life, or it is like childhood. We and nowadays I have a daughter and she makes me laugh many times. I play with her.
Okay, nice.
And
Do you like making other people laugh? Do you like it or you don't like?
I like
You like.
so much.
Okay. So do you think it is important for people to laugh?
Yeah, it is very important because when we are happy, our mood is we are happy and our mood is good. We treat other people very well way, and
Yeah, obviously we have a short time.
yeah.
Okay, and this life is very perpetual. Okay, we are not going to stay over here for the lifetime.
The tension creates very disturbance for our body, for our health.
Obviously.
Yeah, and
So when we want to diverge our attention, obviously we should
Yeah.
try to laugh or
Yeah.
to make the gossips with the friends or with family.
yeah.
Thank you. Is laughing the same as feeling happy? Do you think there's difference? If you are happy, you will laugh, or laughing is another thing.
My opinion, sometimes we laugh when we are not happy, but we are laughing, we are expressing our.
You are laughing just for the sake of other people.
Yeah.
Okay. Some people think that education should be about memorizing the important ideas of the past. Do you agree or disagree, Ma'am Shumaila?
So please repeat the question.
Uh, some people think that education should be about memorizing the important ideas of the past. Do you agree or disagree?
Yeah, I agree. Because we need content to read anything, to memorize anything. If we have no any content, we can't read, we can't know about anything. And about the past, it is very important that we should have any written material that will be helpful for us, for our kids, for new generation.
Why do you think some school teachers use competitions as class activities?
I think it is very important. Competition is very important for in our life. If we have no competition, how can we grow kids? How child or student can grow its abilities? If he or she have a competition and know that he have to compete any other.
Obviously the teachers want to establish,
Yeah, their knowledge.
they want to build their mental level,
mental
their
level.
confidence level, and so that the teacher are having some sort of activities for the students in competition.
Yeah.
Do you think it is good thing to give prizes to children who do well at school?
Yeah, to enhance their abilities
And this is encouraging for the
encouraging,
students.
yeah,
So Haroon, I have two more questions to you. How well do you know the people who live next door to you?
Yes, I know the people who live next door to me very well
Hmm.
because they are my neighbors, they are my friends, and we live together. Each other we know very well each other because we are like the family member of each other, and I know the nature of my neighborhood and the people live there.
Okay, how often do you see them?
Yes, I often see them every day when I comes to my when I comes to my academy from in the morning. I often see my friends over there in front of my house door, and I saw his family oftenly when I often go to his house.